Didn't find the perfect toaster yet? Don't worry, we've got 7 more amazing picks to upgrade your kitchen. Whether you need a simple toaster or a multifunctional toaster oven, we've got something for everyone. Today, we're counting down the top 7 more toasters and toaster ovens on Amazon. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome kitchen finds. At number 1 we have Breville Mini Smart Oven Bow 450XL, brushed stainless steel. The Breville Mini Smart Oven with Element IQ system is for the cook who desires a compact-sized countertop oven that bakes the perfect pizza, delicious cookies and toasts evenly. Using 4 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. Fast 1800-watt preheat gets your meals on the table more quickly. Super versatile mini smart oven with 8 cooking functions to guide you to perfection: toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, cookies, and reheat. LCD display to more easily access the built-in smart functionality. Choose from 8 cooking functions. The walls on the inside of the oven feature a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. At number 2 we have Nostalgia 3-in-1 Breakfast Station. Start your day off right with our versatile breakfast station. This 3-in-1 appliance includes a 3-cup coffee maker, a large griddle for cooking eggs, bacon, and pancakes, and a toaster oven that can hold up to 4 slices of bread. Our compact breakfast maker machine is designed to save countertop space while providing a convenient solution for cooking your favorite breakfast meals. The stylish design makes it a great addition to any kitchen decor. This coffee maker brews up to 3 cups at a time in minutes, so you can enjoy a cup of coffee while your food cooks. It comes with a glass carafe, a coffee scoop, and a reusable filter. The large non-stick griddle offers plenty of room to fry eggs, omelets, pancakes, sausages, bacon, hash browns, and other breakfast foods. It also comes with a glass lid. From designs inspired by early 19th century America to the timeless appeal of our appliances, we offer unique, novel, and fun products for the family. At number 3 we have Breville Bow 650XL, the compact smart oven countertop toaster oven. The Breville Compact Smart Oven with Element IQ system includes most features of a larger smart oven in a compact footprint. Satisfy your meal needs by choosing from 8 cooking functions to make your favorites, from toast for breakfast to a roast for dinner. Using 4 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. Fast 1800-watt preheat gets your meals on the table more quickly. Using 4 independent quartz elements, smart algorithms steer power to where and when it's needed to create the ideal cooking environment for perfect results every time. Fast 1800-watt preheat gets your meals on the table more quickly. LCD display to more easily access the built-in smart functionality. Choose from 8 cooking functions. The walls on the inside of the oven feature a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. At number 4 we have Comfee Toaster Oven Countertop. Bake, broil and toast all in a mini compact toaster oven to fit your daily cooking needs. The compact and versatile design of Comfee countertop toaster oven can fit nicely in any small spaces when counter space is limited, with comfort, stretch and articulated knees. 2 rack levels make toaster oven's countertop holds 2 to 4 slices of bread, 9 inches pizza, enough for a family. The 30-minute timer includes precise toast shade preference and stay on feature for longer baking tasks. This compact toaster oven has simple controls that are straightforward and easy to use. 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit lets you cook with the convenience of different type of foods. 2 easy-to-use dials can not only let you set your preferred cooking time, but also make you easy to control temperature and cooking modes. Small toaster oven's countertop comes with 3 accessories: non-stick baking rack, baking pan and detachable crumb tray, allows for effortless cleaning. At number 5 we have Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven, 8-to-1 oven with bake. This premium 1800-watt toaster oven and air fryer is equipped with air fry setting plus toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, warming feature, with a wide temperature range, warm 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Large enough to toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza or roast a 4-pound chicken, equipped with an adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer / auto shut-off and a toast shade selector to ensure your meals are cooked to your perfection. Oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, grill and a non-stick easy clean interior to make cleanup simple. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. At number 6 we have Elite Gourmet Edo 236 Personal Compact 2-Slice Countertop Toaster Oven. Versatile compact design fits nicely in small spaces when counter space is limited. The 15-minute timer is perfect for toasting and warming up food for a quick and easy snack or breakfast. Adjust your oven controls between 200 F450 F degrees for toasting, warming or baking. Built-in temperature thermostat maintains even cooking heat to keep food warm, bake or toast. Includes a non-stick back pan and wire rack that easily slides in and out of the rack position to suit a variety of foods. Stay toasty with the Elite Gourmet 2-slice toaster oven. Toast bagels and bread, bake a personal pizza, or broil an open-faced sandwich. With an adjustable timer and heat selector functions, cooking is fast and easy. With its compact design, cleanup and storage is simple and hassle-free. The attractive black finish makes this toaster oven the perfect addition to any kitchen. At number 7 we have Proctor Silex 4-slice countertop toaster oven. The toaster oven broiler conveniently toasts 4 slices of bread at once, enough for a family, to reduce the time you spend in the kitchen. The small toaster oven gives you the versatility to cook 3 ways without taking up much space on the countertop. It toasts, broils, and bakes, great for everyday cooking. Make toast, heat leftovers, and more. This compact toaster oven has simple controls that are straightforward and easy to use. Perfect for anyone who wants a toaster oven that gets the job done without being complicated. Includes a 30-minute timer with ready bell. The toaster oven comes with a bake pan for toasting and baking, and an oven rack for broiling. The built-in crumb tray drops down to easily remove crumbs from the bottom of the toaster oven,